I need someone to make me cry.
Ah, don't cry. This is the look we're going to be recreating. This is me. I have this is her. She's barefaced now, but in a moment she's gonna be my twin. We look alike.
Yeah,
Kind of. Difference is in the nose, okay? I don't think I'll be mentioning the products as I go, but I'll be sure to leave them in my description box. The best thing that can happen to my mother, mommy, correct me if I'm wrong, one of the best things is when I agree to do her makeup when she's going out. So I'll come and disturb me in the morning. Hey, help me now, or you fix me lashes.
You know when I get together, when you make me up, I don't even sit down. I'll even greet even my enemies.
They will see you,
my face.
Your face. She'll wash her face, right? But she'll leave the lashes overnight.
I'll just clean around the
area. So obviously, we're not using the same shade of foundation. But what will make us twin is the same eyeshadow look, the same lip look, the same hair,
same top.
The same top. We're wearing the same top but different colors. My friend sent it. Hi Sharifa, if you get to watch this. Mom, your skin is so smooth there. I wish I carried that one.
My money.
Now your money they work.
My friends, when they look at me, my face, my neck, you see, you don't have wrinkle on your neck, on your chest.
Your skin is so good and very uniform. You know you're lighter than me.
You took everything from your dad.
Took most of my features from my old man. You guys, this blending sponge from Fenty is the best makeup tool I've ever used. I don't even go in with beauty blender anymore. It just blends everything out seamlessly. This is not a tutorial though, but I just had to put it on this. If you have been thinking of getting it, please just buy it. It's so good. If you're just new to my channel, there's a video my mom did my makeup. So you can go and watch it. I'll leave you links in the cards and compare it to what I'm about or what I'm already doing on her face. Let's confirm who the pro is here. Obviously me.
You or me?
Who, you?
Me.
You.
Don't forget I did a wonderful job.
She was even asking for bookings. My mom doesn't have a lot of brow hairs compared to me. A part of those that used to shave off their own brows back in the days.
No, but I used to trim it.
Okay.
As line it. Not to shave. Eventually.
Brows are done. She's looking good. Next is eyeshadow. This eye is complete. I'll just do the other one off camera. You're transforming into your Dora.
You used to like makeup. And I spend so much money buying makeup. Sometimes you send.
Yeah, I'll send you pictures. Mommy, buy me this one.
Number, this.
It's
that.
True, Mark.
Oh my God! I kept spending money. And I saw some of the leftovers of those people. Some you don't even use up to half
I
of.
don't even use
half of it. This thing, a pack.
But that's the thing. You're supportive. Thank you.
What will I do now? As the only Adada, I had to spend money.
Adada. Yo. If you don't take care of me, who will?
I don't know.
Adding some warmth back. I'm not enjoying makeup again. I feel like eventually I might go back into pro makeup artistry. Look like a baby girl that you are.
But I am.
Don't look at mirror. I'm not looking at mirror until we are done. Next is one of your favorite things. Lashes. My mother loves lashes. She would rather you don't rub anything on her face, but you see that lashes, just hang it for her.
Lashes transform.
Yeah, it transforms people's faces. No, just keep your eyes steady. I'm measuring it.
Lashes time.
Blessing time. I mean, lashes time, transformation time.
Good.
Glow time. Smile, smile, smile.
My lovely girl.
Which song is that?
You remember the song? Beautiful song. I've been loving you. I've been kissing you. You make me cry. In this world, I've been missing you.
Who sang it?
All I need now is your love. Let me know now. I'm loving you.
That's what people so dance back. Back in the days.
Loving you. It's true. I need someone to make me cry.
Don't cry.
I need someone to make me live longer. All I need now is your love. Never make me cry again. Something told me you'll be mine someday.
I don't know the song. They don't born me.
I'm with the secondary school.
I see.
Hey!
Oh my goodness. Disco with your fella trouser.
And that Ola shoes.
Ola. Oh my goodness. We're almost done. Done. Your lips are so small. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Smack. Makeup is complete. Let me go and wear a wig so that the transformation will be complete as well. Are we looking alike already?
I look better when you do.
Right back. So we're done with the makeup look. Oh, you're looking so different. So I'm going to give you a mirror for first time reaction so you can tell me how you feel. I didn't let her look at anything since.
Wow! Is this me?
Do you like it?
Yes. Are you sure this is me? High five!
High five!
Oh, thank you so much.
So yeah, this is me now.
Yeah.
Ooh, you look so good. Let me take some pictures of
my
you.
lashes. See my brow. See my lips.
Everything looks so good.
Hair.
Let me take you a picture. I hope you loved watching as much as we enjoyed making it. We had so much fun. You guys could already tell from the snippets you saw before this. I love how the look turned out. Momsi is feeling herself. She says she's already going out now that she'll go and visit everybody. That this makeup has to work.
My enemies today. They will see. I'm not coming back anytime soon. Maybe I'll come back around 9 p.m.
9 p.m. is late.
From one house to show my friends my face, my new look, my transformation.
If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to subscribe. Also give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comment below on your favorite part of this video. Let us know what made you crack up the most. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye. One step forward,
2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.